Hey there, fellow science enthusiasts. Ever heard of FRBs? Fast radio bursts are one of the universe's greatest mysteries. These incredibly powerful flashes of radio waves last just milliseconds, but they release more energy than our sun does in a whole day. First discovered in 2007, FRBs have puzzled astronomers ever since. They seem to come from all over the sky, but pinpointing their exact origins is tricky. Some are even repeating, like a cosmic Morse code, leaving us wondering who or what is sending these signals. One of the most intriguing FRBs, known as FRB 1121102, repeats from the same location in a dwarf galaxy over 3 billion light-years away. This raises the question, is it a natural phenomenon, or could it be something more artificial? Scientists have proposed several explanations. Some think they might be the remnants of supernovae, the explosive deaths of massive stars. Others suggest they could be the result of neutron stars colliding or even the activity of black holes. But perhaps the most fascinating theory is the idea that FRBs could be signals from advanced extraterrestrial civilizations. Imagine a distant society sending out powerful radio waves to communicate across the cosmos. While we don't have all the answers yet, new discoveries are made almost daily. The more we learn about FRBs, the closer we get to understanding the universe's deepest secrets. So, next time you look up at the night sky, remember, somewhere out there, an FRB might be flashing, just waiting to be discovered. Stay curious, keep exploring, and who knows what amazing discoveries we'll uncover together. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more cosmic wonders. Until next time, keep reaching for the stars.